Hello, good evening, friends. There has been muddled and unclear thinking, but Spirit says there's a happy surprise coming your way. Something very good is about to happen. They say it's going to be financial gain, usually coming from something you did in the past. Justice is coming for you, and truth transcends illusions. They say know your own worth and be kind and gentle to yourself and others. You are going to receive a visitor, and the card says you must share with that person. But watch your words. A mysterious message will reveal your true path. You are climbing the ladder towards success. They say you already know the answers within you, and you must turn your knowledge into wisdom. Something is coming in fast, speedy news or a situation, and it's coming with love from your angels. Um, they say if you persevere, you will overcome problems and trust that there's love all around you. To get along with others, you need to see the love and the best within them. Um, they say that there has been shrewdness going on, especially in business, but the universe is working with you on this situation. Just remember to practice self love, forgive, and be at peace. There are improvements underway. There just might be a bit of delay around some of the improvements. Persevere with what you are doing, it is going to pay off. They say a forgotten spell will bring you unexpected blessings, and it's blessings in all areas of your life, in material and money gain, in your health, and in your spiritual growth. You are in your power and you trust in the divine power. And they say you just need to unplug and relax. You are on a new path, a positive attitude, confident, and all those wonderful things that you need to move forward. Just don't forget to be loyal to those that you love. Spirit says you must co create with Spirit, and Spirit has a plan for you. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.